Hi guys, it's Jazzy and I'm at the Appleton New Year the day before and I'm just waiting for my team to arrive. They're right there. Hey guys, it's Jazzy. I'm doing my makeup. Hey guys, it's Jazzy. So we just did our hair, our makeup, and we just got them dressing.
We're leaving it all here. I'm gonna bring ours back.
Okay, we're gonna head out in a little bit. Hey guys, so I'm in the car and we're gonna go to the New Year. I'll cut that out. Hey guys, we're at the New Year.
Mia, say hi to the vlog.
Okay, so like I got done dancing like 2 hours ago, but I forgot to vlog. And right now I'm just waiting for my food. Hey guys, it's Jazzy. So I just got through my makeup and my hair, and now I'm getting my hair done. Bye. Hey guys, so we're currently on our way to our cars to go to the New Year, and it is freezing. Oh my gosh. Bye, y'all. Okay, I'm vlogging. Guys, I was really kissing my friend back.
Who is it, Vivian?
No, it's Vivian's cousin. Shout out, guys. That's so funny, but like, guys,
Oh, I like
we're
the
almost
trees.
there. I know
Trees
the
are so
trees
pretty.
are so pretty.
God, I think we all got crooked legs because we can't walk straight.
Walk perpendicular, though. Guys, we're really good at that.
I guess all of
We're
us
vlogging too.
I guess all of us are vlogging.
I know.
She just got done vlogging.
I know. I just vlogged me and her, and then she's vlogging.
Like, yeah. I was bored. Guys, I brought my money.
Cause show them my money. I know. I got $50 in here, so I better not lose it.
I don't know how much money I have.
Yeah.
I forgot to count.
Yeah. I have my debit card that has like $64, and then I have my $50 of cash. It's only one bill though. Oh, one $50 bill.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 'cause I'm so rich. I'm like a billionaire in disguise.
Really? I think I broke because I spent all my money on something.
I know, I'm literally just gonna buy like some food, a drink.
Yeah, me too. I'm not gonna buy anything.
I just
I don't
want to
wanna
see
buy
what they
toys.
have. And I think my dad's gonna give me money too because he got of cash from the bank today. So he should give me money.
Okay, guys, we're gonna go inside. Oh, I'm so happy now. It's so cold out here.
I know.
It's like freaking what?
I'm wearing sweats. Let's go right
We're finally inside. Oh my god, look who I found. Oh guys, we're gonna go to checkout.
Hey guys, so we're currently on our way to the New Year. So guys, say hi to the vlog.
Hi. What's
Yeah. Bye guys, we'll catch you guys later. Hey guys, so we're going to the bathroom to reapply our lipstick, you guys. Hi, love. Guys, I'm low-key swimming. It's really cold, guys.
Yeah, we have to run through the
Hey guys, so it's currently 11:40
think so. I don't know.
I'm so tired.
We're doing singing competition right now.
Alright, judges, you have 3 minutes.
We're doing singing competition and I just want to go to bed.
Yeah, I'm gonna knock out.
What time do we dance?
1:30.
1:30?
Wait, time that we dance?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. But competition starts at 1:30.
Yeah, we're the 9th group, so like we probably won't do any dance till like what, 2?
Yeah, we won't.
Or 6, 7. Okay.
Not funny.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell.
Yeah. Okay, but yeah. All the girls are over there.
If you lost a black fanny pack, please come by the stage to claim your black fanny pack.
But I'm so tired. I need to get my earrings changed to that one. But I don't have it right now. But it's okay. I low-key ate my makeup today. I did my makeup by myself.
She did my brows.
I did her eyebrows. Leah, look at her. I did my own eyebrows. I did my own base. I did my own eyeshadow a little bit, but she helped me with the glitter. And I did my blush. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go. Bye, guys.
Hey guys.
Hmong, Wisconsin Chambers of Commerce, Patrolman. League Band.
So we are now waiting. We finished dancing like a while ago. We're now waiting to see like who won.
Hey guys, so we're walking home now. The competition ended and I'm really tired and my head hurts and I need to take a shower. So, bye!
Gucci flip flops, fuck it, hit your bitch and massage. This a